beautiful day. Good morning, everyone. And look what greeted me today. Sunflowers. So, three flowers in one stem plus another one. Maybe this will open this afternoon. Wow. Hi everyone! It's cooking time! Ano kaya ang lulutuin ko ngayon for dinner? So right now, I am boiling pork butt. Few more minutes and then the pork butt will be tender. I can see it. And while waiting, I will go in the table and prepare the other ingredients. Let's go! Okay, let's start preparing. So I have plenty vegetables in here. First, let me do the carrot. Peel ko muna yung carrot. I will be cooking my favorite. And I will put plenty vegetables. Mahilig ako sa noodles, guys. That's one clue already. Plenty vegetables with noodles. Okay, so tapos na ang carrot. Tabi muna natin. Madaming carrots. Next, this is celery. Masarap ang celery even if fresh like this. Okay, so this is celery. Then I have here half of red bell pepper, so I will just put this one since it's sitting in the cooler. Pandagdag kulay sa vegetables. Ayan, konti lang red bell pepper. Cut in strips. Next, I have here green beans. So for this one, cut diagonal. I'm sure alam nyo na guys kung ano ang lulutuin ko for dinner. With all these ingredients, for sure. Yes, I will be cooking pancit. In here, this is called green beans. But for us in Ilocos, we call this Baguio beans. I'm just not sure to other places in Philippines if we call the same. And I remember when I was a kid and if we eat pancit in carinderias, oh, these vegetables, they cut it very thin. You almost cannot see. Well, it's business anyway, so understandable, right? But if you cook your own, oh, make it good, not too thin, and then put plenty. This is the time to eat different kinds of vegetables in one dish. Tapos na guys, ito yung green beans or Baguio beans sa amin sa Ilocos. Okay, put in container for the meantime. Kasi meron pang susunod. This one, are you familiar with this? We call this in here snow pea. But again, in Ilocos, we call this chicharo. So for this one, just cut the tip. And if the size is like this, it's okay. You don't have to make it smaller anymore. Ayan. Cut-cut ko lang yung tip niya. Say like this is kind of big, so cut in half. Okay. So I'm almost done with the snow pea. Two more ingredients. Ayan. And of course, don't forget cabbage. Ito sa amin sa Philippines, it's called or it's named repolyo. Okay, transfer in a container for the meantime. Ito yung repolyo or cabbage. Next, I have here garlic or yung ating tinatawag na bawang. Crush ko lang siya. And then, remove the skin of course. Alisin natin yung balat. So, I have here 4 cloves of garlic. Ito yung bawang na makapal yung skin. Then I will just cut. Dice lang natin yung garlic. Ayan. Ito yung magpapaluha sa'yo. Bilisin lang natin yung pagkat para hindi pumunta sa aking mata. Yan. Onion. Or in Philippines, we call this sibuyas. Ayan. So, tapos na dito. So, last na ikakat yung pork. Oh. Very tender pork. Wow, napakalambot na karne ng baboy. Ayan. Very tender. Okay guys, so madami-dami to. I'll be back. See you later. Ayan guys, so I'm done cutting or slicing the pork butt. Ayan siya, medyo parang kumonti siya kasi hindi ko nilagay or inalis ko yung mga taba or fats. Hindi kasi healthy yung fats, that's why I remove it. So next, let's go to the stove and cook. Okay, so I will show you guys how I cook my version of pancit canton sa tanghon. First, I will put the oil because first part is sauteing. Gisa-gisa muna tayo. Everybody get their own version on how to cook pancit. And this is mine. Okay, let's warm the oil. Painitin ang mantika. I will cook pancit good for maybe 2 dinners and 1 breakfast so that I will not be cooking tomorrow because tomorrow no more trade winds again. I think if I am right, the news said last day of trade winds today. So I will cook this now. Then we get dinner for tomorrow, and then I will just add something like easy to cook fish. I think it's hot already. So, gisa-gisa tayo. Saute muna garlic. Luto-luto na naman. Ito ang buhay ko. Cooking, cooking. Ayan. Let's put the onion. Gisa-gisa muna. Next, I will add the sliced pork. I will put little bit of fish sauce or patis. Ayan. Ganito lang muna para ma-absorb ng pork yung ating patis. Para meron siyang lasa. Mukhang okay na. I will add the pork broth. Yung broth na pinagboilan ko ng pork. And then, I will put pancit bihon rice noodles stir-fry mix. Ayan, lagyan natin. Ito yung pampalasa. Now, I will add the red bell pepper. Ayan siya. And then, carrot. Mix muna. Igisa ko muna yung mga vegetables. Then, I will add the repolyo or cabbage. Lagay ko na din yung green beans. Ooh. At saka yung celery. Mix natin. Lagyan natin ng liquid seasoning. Ayan na siya, guys. Wow, very colorful. Susunod, ilagay yung snow pea or chicharo. So, for the vegetables, half cook lang muna. Mainit-init. Transfer muna sa isang container or bowl. Because I will be using the same pot in cooking the noodles. So, using the same pot, hindi na ako naghugas, guys. Okay lang yan. I have here the pork broth. So, I will divide the pork broth into 2 parts. And then, pakukuluan ko lang. I will put liquid seasoning. And then, where is my shoyu? A little bit of soy sauce. I will also put oyster sauce. Ayan. What else do you put in your pansit? Mix ko lang muna. The secret in cooking the noodles, your soup should be tasty. Kasi yung noodles, wala siyang lasa. So, the secret also is in the soup. So, I will put a little bit of pork cube. I will cut this. Ayan, maglalagay lang ako ng konti. Let this boil. Mix ko lang para matunaw yung pork cube. Then, I will add annatto water to give color to the sotanghon. Ayan. So, wait muna natin. Let's boil this for a few minutes. So, I will put the sotanghon. I soaked this in water earlier. Mas favorite ko yung sotanghon, guys, kesa sa canton. Pero yung asawa ko, mas gusto yung canton kesa sa sotanghon. Kaya, pag nagluto ako ng pansit, half-half. Para walang away. Iba din ang style ko sa pagluluto ng pansit, di ba guys? Ewan ko, naman ako tong style na to sa aking mom. This is how she cook pansit. So, when the sotanghon is cooked, I will transfer in container. And I'll do the same with the pansit canton. Wala nga lang siyang annatto water for the canton. So, I only do that with sotanghon. Okay, guys. So, I see you later. So, eto na yung sotanghon, guys. I set aside for the meantime. And next is I will cook the canton. So, again, the half of the pork broth. Ayan. So, nalagay ko na siya. Same thing. I will add the soy sauce. And then the liquid seasoning. A little bit of oyster sauce. Konti lang. And then, a little bit also of the pork cube. Ayan. Lahat naman tayo yata gumagamit ng mga cooking seasoning. But if you are not into that, you can disregard. Sa akin naman, konti-konti lang. Okay, so I will wait for the soup to boil. How can I wait the soup to boil? I did not turn off the stove. Ay, kabaw. Ulianin na. Ang init kasi. Okay, so few minutes. Let's wait. Oh, it's boiling. So now I will put the pancit canton. And for the pancit canton, guys, I run this one with clean water. I used to do this one, so I'm sure that it's clean. There. So, eto na yung pancit canton. Almost dry. Maybe 1 more minute. Okay na. Then, I will add the vegetables. So, mix lang. Ayan. Of course, not to forget to add the sotanghon. Ayan. Then, add again some vegetables. Ganyan lang siya. Get some soup in there. Okay, guys. So, it's mixing time. Mix na natin. Ayun. So, this is how I cook pancit canton sotanghon gisado. Yan, pwede pang dagdagan ng vegetables. I will set aside a little bit for topping. Ayan, tamang-tama yung niluto ko na vegetable. Kainan na. Pansit kayo dyan. Masarap. Madaling vegetables and meat. Ayan. Wow. Sarap. Siyempre, before serving to family, need to taste first. See how good it is. Good. Perfect. Oops! Kainan na, guys. Ito na yung aking version ng sotanghon canton pancit gisado. So, to complete, let's put some calamansi. Siyempre naman, madaming calamansi kasi galing sa yard. Ayan, maglagay tayo ng calamansi para maganda. For presentation. Ayan. Maglalagay din tayo ng egg. Ayan. O, diba? So, eto na. Tawagin ang kapitbahay at tayo'y kumain ng pansit. Eto yung aking simple version, guys. And again, mahalo for watching. For those who are still new to my channel, please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. See you again next video, guys. Maraming salamat po.